Hello and welcome to this video where I'll be introducing you to an attendance system based on Google Sheets and the ESP32. The process is quite simple. It reads a card ID, sends it to Google, which responds with the name, action to perform and text to show on the display. Let's start with the Google Sheets part. Open your Google Drive and create a new spreadsheet document. Then go to Extensions and select AppScript. And paste the code from GitHub. You can find the correct name for your time zone by visiting this page. To make the spreadsheet more user-friendly, we will add a custom menu. To do this, we need to add an onOpen trigger. Now deploy the app. Don't forget to set access type to anyone. You will need to insert this link into the Arduino code. Go back to the spreadsheet and press F5. Wait until the menu appears and then run the setup. It will create tabs and name the columns. Now open Arduino IDE, paste the code, enter your Wi-Fi credentials and insert the Google script link. And don't forget to install required libraries and upload the code. Here are two tables. Every time you place a card, a record will appear in the attendance log table. The main table contains the names and access types of the card holders. To get started, you need to place a card and wait until the record appears in the table. Then you need to add card IDs to the main table. You can do it manually or use our custom menu. The access text can be anything you want. It's parsed in the Arduino code and can perform whatever you need. By default, it parses door and beep values. The open door function is a fake one. It simply turns the LED on for 2 seconds. Now I'm placing Monica's cards, so it should show Monica, any text, and beep. Mike's card should show go home and turn the LED on. That's all, just give it a try. I hope this project will help you to build your attendance system. Thanks for watching.